Thank you for choosing Allied Tools and Parts for all your welding needs. In this video, we will demonstrate our two-piece Pistol Flint Striker with 12 striker flints. In each set, you get 10 extra replacement flints. There is also one flint pre-installed in each of the two strikers. This means you get a total of 12 flints. The metal spring inside the trigger is easy to pull and creates the perfect amount of tension to initiate sparks without causing any hand fatigue. The body of each flint striker is iron-plated. This makes the strikers durable and dependable to use. Each Pistol Flint strikers are also coated with red paint to prevent rust and corrosion. The trigger's spring tension and rotating file gear produces excellent sparks on demand and will create sparks under a variety of weather conditions. The striker's handle is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand. To replace a flint, simply pull back the flint tensioner on the tip of the striker. After that, turn the Pistol Flint Striker upside down to dislodge the old flint from the circular cartridge. Now switch the Pistol Flint Striker back to an upright position. Insert the new replacement flint inside the circular cartridge. Finally, reposition the flint tensioner back to its original position. To make sure the flints are properly installed, pull the trigger to initiate flint sparks. Our Pistol Flint Strikers are perfect for Bunsen burners, welding torches, barbecues, and gas appliances. Each of the 12 flints that come with the two strikers are long-lasting and will last for years to come. Only one hand is required to operate the Flint Striker. The Flint Striker's pistol design allows you to keep your hands away from your fuel source, ensuring your hands are safe from any harm. They're great to bring for camping trips to light camping stoves and start a campfire. Thanks again for choosing Allied Tools and Parts for all your welding needs.